Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to learn about comma. What is comma? While a period or a full stop ends a sentence, a comma indicates a smaller break. The comma is used to separate parts of a sentence, and if the sentence is spoken, the comma generally indicates a short pause. However, it has many other uses as well. Some of the most common comma rules are: number 1, to separate a series of words. Examples: see, listen, and be silent, and you will live in peace. Do you want some cakes, candies, or ice creams? The next one is to connect two independent clauses. Examples: it's an old car, but it's very reliable. I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Third one is to set off introductory words or phrases of clauses. Examples: yes, I'll be there. Thanks for reminding me. Having finally arrived in town, we went shopping. And the fourth rule is to separate the parenthetical elements. Examples: football, which is a popular sport, is very good for health. My grandmother, old and sick, never goes out of the house. The fifth rule is to separate coordinate adjectives. Examples: followers feel energetic, confident, and happy. He is a competent, efficient worker. Sixth rule is to separate a series of phrases. Example: I like reading books, listening to music, watching TV, and studying English. The seventh one is to set off phrases to express contrast. Examples: money is a good servant, but a bad master. The golden age is before us, not behind us. The eighth rule is to avoid confusion. Examples: for most, the year is already finished. I saw that she was busy and prepared to leave. And the ninth one is to separate the quoted parts. Examples: I don't think you should do that, he said. He asked, do you want to go with me? And the 10th rule is to set off expressions that interrupt the sentence flow. Examples: this, after all, is a company which is awash with cash. On the other hand, many women choose to go out to work. The next rule is to separate dates, years, and addresses. Examples: I was born in August 26, 2001. The White House is located at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, NW, Washington, D.C. 20500. And the 12th rule is to separate a statement from a tag question. Examples: let's take the next bus. Shall we? We have never seen that, have we? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.